baking soda water daily and what it may really do. Tiny habits can change your routine. I first heard about baking soda water from an older man at a local gym. Every morning he mixed a small amount into water before breakfast like it was part of a secret ritual. Honestly, I thought it sounded strange. Baking soda belonged in cakes, not in a glass beside scrambled eggs. But after reading medical sources and sports nutrition studies, I realized why so many people keep talking about it. Simple science behind baking soda. Baking soda is also called sodium bicarbonate. According to the NIA, it works as an alkaline compound that can temporarily neutralize acid. Doctors have used sodium bicarbonate in certain medical settings for decades, but the important word is certain. This is not a magic drink, and too much can create problems instead of benefits. The first thing that surprised me was how many athletes already know about it. Studies published in the Journal of the International Society of Sports Nutrition found that sodium bicarbonate may help some athletes during intense exercise by buffering acid buildup in muscles. In simple words, it may help delay that burning feeling during hard training sessions. Energy during tough workouts. Some runners and cyclists use small controlled amounts before training. Not because it gives superpowers, but because it may help the body handle fatigue differently for a short time. Still, results vary a lot between people. Another reason people drink baking soda water is occasional acid discomfort. Mayo Clinic experts explain that sodium bicarbonate can sometimes act like an antacid by reducing stomach acid temporarily. This is why some people feel short-term relief after heavy meals, but using it too often without medical advice is not recommended. Occasional relief after heavy meals. I tried a tiny amount once after eating greasy late-night street food. Let's just say my stomach became less dramatic by midnight. My fridge, however, still looked guilty. Some people also believe baking soda supports oral health. Research in dental journals shows that baking soda toothpaste may help reduce plaque and surface stains because of its mild abrasive properties. That does not mean drinking large amounts whitens teeth overnight. Sadly, no superhero ending there. Kidney health is another topic often mentioned online. According to research published in the Journal of the American Society of Nephrology, sodium bicarbonate has been studied in patients with certain kidney conditions under medical supervision. But this is extremely different from random daily use at home. Dosage matters greatly. Too much may upset the body. High amounts of baking soda may cause bloating, nausea, diarrhea, or dangerous sodium overload. People with high blood pressure, kidney disease, or heart conditions should be especially careful because sodium intake affects fluid balance in the body. Check with your doctor first. Another thing many videos forget to mention is moderation. A small amount may be tolerated by some healthy adults occasionally, but daily long-term use without guidance is not automatically safe. Every body reacts differently depending on medications, diet, hydration, and health conditions. If someone wants to try it, experts usually recommend starting carefully and never using large amounts. One common method discussed in health references is mixing a very small amount into a full glass of water, not drinking it concentrated, and definitely not replacing regular hydration with it. Track how your body responds. Pay attention to bloating, swelling, stomach pain, or changes in blood pressure. Those signs matter more than internet hype. The biggest lesson I learned was simple. Baking soda water is not a miracle cure hiding in your kitchen cabinet. It is a basic chemical compound with specific effects that may help in certain situations when used carefully. Smart habits always beat exaggerated promises. Like and share if this surprised you. Small healthy choices add up over time.